everyone, in this video I am going to explain what is recursion and how to implement in a program. Recursion is nothing but is a function which is called itself. When some statement in a function call the same function in it called as a recursion function. The process of repeating the item in a self-similar way. In a programming language, if a program allows you to call the function inside the same function, then it is called as a recursive call of the function. Here, I take an example for explaining the factorial of a function with using the recursion function. First, wait 1 minute. Here, I take a program for finding the factorial of numbers. I take n equal to 5. Here I declare a header file and int fact of int is nothing but a function declaration. This function is going to be called inside the main function. So I declare the function here. Fact is nothing but fact of n. We get an fact value in an integer and int fact is nothing but and that integer value is going to be written in integer type. So I use int fact int and declare a main function. In main function I declare an n variable which is going to be get an input from the user. That wise I take an integer n. F is nothing but for calculating the factorial I use the f. Printf statement is used to provide the output and scanf statement is used to get the input. The ampersand is used for it denotes the n value address. Okay. Here fact n is a function when the program is in the main function is defining the fact n, it will goes to the function definition. That is nothing but I can define a function int fact of int n. N is nothing but that variable which we going to be calculate the factorial. I here take 5. So whenever if equal to fact n, it will comes to the function definition and check these conditions. For example, int equal to 5. So int n equal to 5. N equal to 5. It will check the if condition. If n is equal to 0, then it will return 0. Otherwise, it going to be check the else part. If n is equal to 1, that is nothing but 5 is equal to 1. If it is true, it execute return 1 and provide this output. Otherwise, it goes to the else part. Here, return 5. Here we are taking the 5 as an n. So 5 star of fact n minus 1. N is nothing but 5. 5 minus 1. So 5 into factorial of 4. Factorial is nothing but, for example, 5 equal to fact kandupidikanuna 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That is the value of the factorial to calculate the factorial of 5. Here I show return 5. Return means return 5 is an n into factorial of 4. That is nothing but n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. That while we are calculating like this, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 equal to 120. This is an factorial value for 5. Likewise, we are also calculating the factorial of n numbers. Here 4, then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Up 4 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That is one factorial for 4. Likewise, we are calculating. Thank you.